I've got a bun in the oven. So we're gonna make a bun in the oven. It's Big Daddy flavour. First thing we're going to do is make the dough. We're going to need some strong white bread flour. You can use plain, same thing. Some yeast, fast-acting yeast, yeah? 250 grams of strong white bread flour. You can make this wholemeal if you want. Now, we're only going to use half this sachet because this loaf's just for me and my baby mama. You see it? So we're just going to use half of this sachet, dash with the rest, keep the rest, like this video. Thank you. Now, teaspoon of table salt. Pink salt I use, keep it away from the yeast because it can kill off your yeast, stop it from doing its thing. Fill it up with your olive oil, two tablespoons of that. Warm water, about 30 degrees, I don't know, 40 degrees. What's warm? Not hot, warm. You don't want to kill the yeast, you want to activate the yeast. You see it? Now just mix that in, keep mix till it's all combined. Then we're going to knead it. What I really need is to meet my baby. I love it. Now, just mix that together until it's just a bit sticky. Like that, just tacky. Now, flour your side. Boom. Bang that on there. Now, we're going to knead it. Yeah? We ain't got no fancy dancing machine. This is by hand. This is a real labour of love. Boom, boom, boom. See it there? Use your hands, use your fingers, use your thing. Fold it, bang it. Fold it, bang it. See it there? Bit more flour if it's sticky. Yeah, man. Now we got it like that. See, it's stretchy. The gluten's activated. Get all the bits off your hands. We're not messing about, blood. Yeah, man. Form it into a ball. Bang it in a bowl. Cling film it. Leave it for 2 hours to double in size. While you're doing that, you can follow us on Insta. Flavour@_station and wipe down your dirty bum, boy. See your brass, something. Now clean up good. Now, 2 hours later, it's come out. Doubled in size. We're going to smash this now. Get yourself a tray. 2 grease-proof paper down. Stop it sticking to your tray. Stop it burning underneath. Very important. See how soft and malleable it is. Oh, my days. Yeah, man. We're just going to form it into a ball nicely. Oh, yeah. Just do it like that in your hands. You don't have to flour again. You don't have to make a mess. We're just going to form it into the shape we want it to be. Now, I'm going to make this into a nice, big, just lovely looking loaf. As soon as it's smooth, we're gonna get some egg wash on there, 2 seeds. You can just leave it as a white loaf if you want, but as soon as you're formed round, bang it on your tray, give it a little egg wash. Egg wash, i.e. an egg that you've made into liquid egg, and then you brush on. Brush it with egg. Egg, brush it with said egg. Yeah, man, all round the sides. Now, just going to get some seeds. Good old Lidl, 59p. No messing. We got sesame seeds. We got pumpkin seeds. We got these little orange ones. I don't know what they are. If anyone knows, comment below. Bet you don't know. Plenty of them on there. Oh, yes. Look at that bad boy. Then we're going to prove it again. Hour later. Doubled in size. Got loads of air in there. It's having a good old wobble. Jiggly bottoms. Just gonna put a little cross in here so when it bakes it comes out, fluffs out, does its little thing, makes it presentable. My knives were terrible at this point, so yeah, I'm way better at making babies than bread, but we shall see Wagwan in a moment. Now, it's very important that you use a really blunt knife at this point. Not really, use a sharp one, but I was in a rush, I had work. But I'm a daddy, I don't business. It's daddy's rules, blood. Daddy rules the roost. Daddy bakes the bread. Daddy puts the bacon on the table. But not bacon. We'll have turkey bacon or vegan bacon. Now, into the oven, 180 degrees C. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. For around 35 to 45 minutes. Don't get discouraged if it gets rather dark. Look at that beauty. I think this is about 40 minutes. You're stunning. Absolutely stunning. Get it on a cooling rack. No messing, bloodies. Look. See this something? The bread. Bun in the oven. Bun on my plate. Me want to eat it. It tastes great. Yeah, man. We're gonna cut inside. Let's see this beast. Let's see how sexy it is inside. It's a bun, but yeah. Let's have a look, see? Oh yeah, baby. We've got moisture. It's fluffy. It's soft. It's perfect, man. Perfect. Bang some smashed. Oh my day. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching. We ate it all. Bye.